Okay, great. Thank you very much for the introduction and for the invitation here. So today I'm going to speak about the combined power of high throughput ab-initio calculation and machine learning. So basically, we all know that material advances are one of the key drivers of innovation. So we need faster computers, more compact energy storage, more compact data storage, and more efficient solar cells. At the heart of all these techniques, we need specific materials with some targeted properties. So how do we get these kind of materials with these such properties in our information page? It would be nice if we could go on Google and type, for instance, I'd like to get a good battery material. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. Maybe if I were to ask to my students, how can I get a good battery material? They would go on Google and say, okay, I'd like to find a material that has a voltage that is between 3 volts and 4.5, a good stability, and it has a good lithium mobility.